Welcome to our channel. Start enjoying Apple TV Plus. Today, with this simple step-by-step activation guide, welcome to our channel. In this guide, we will walk you through each step to activate your Apple TV Plus subscription, so you can start streaming your favorite shows and movies without delay. First, ensure your device is compatible with Apple TV. Plus, this service works on Apple devices such as iPhone, iPad, Apple TV, Mac, as well as some smart TVs and streaming devices. Next, open the Apple TV app on your compatible device. If you don't have the app installed yet, download it from the App Store or your device's app marketplace once the app is open. Look for the option to start a free trial or subscribe if you're new to Apple TV Plus. You might be eligible for a free trial period, so tap on Try It Free or the equivalent prompt after that. Sign in with your Apple ID. If you don't have an Apple ID, you will need to create one by following the on-screen instructions. It's important to use a valid Apple ID to ensure your subscription is linked correctly when signed in. You will be presented with subscription pricing options. Select the plan that suits you best and confirm your choice to complete the sign-up. You may need to provide payment information such as a credit card or PayPal account. Don't worry, your subscription will only be charged after any free trial period you might have chosen. Remember to review all the terms and conditions before confirming your subscription. Once everything is confirmed, your Apple TV Plus subscription will be activated instantly, allowing you to access all available content. Start browsing through the library to find new TV shows, movies, documentaries, and exclusive Apple originals. Enjoy seamless streaming across all your devices just by signing into the same Apple ID. If you ever want to manage your subscription or change your plan, you can do so easily in your device settings or through your Apple ID account preferences. Activating your Apple TV Plus subscription is quick and easy. Follow these clear steps, and you'll be ready to dive into high-quality entertainment anytime you want.